So, can you tell everybody what happened, what it feel like with that Nissan GTR?
Man,
Did you get your soul snatched?
Yeah, demonology got me this time, but man, let's believe it's gonna be a rematch soon.
Hey, it's coming soon.
It's coming soon, man.
It's all good. It's all good. Hey, that GTR is a beast. Now his is just lightly modded, correct?
Right.
Okay. Now they got some modded out there that
That's
you can't
crazy,
touch.
man.
You can't touch.
It's pretty crazy out there, man.
Yes,
Hey guys, I had an opportunity to run into Shane and Joy Tittle, a power couple that races GTRs. I tell you what, they wasn't too happy about me beating up on that baby Godzilla that ran that GTR a while back, so they was in for revenge. Anyway guys, so get your popcorn ready. Let's see how that goes. You know what I'm doing. Snatching souls. Peace.
Joy Tittle. Guys, let me tell you about the Tittles. Back in the day, probably about 2-3 years ago, the Tittles, they have these Nissans right here, these GTRs, and they've been kicking everybody's butt at the drag strip. What happened? Y'all just disappeared for a while.
Moved to downtown Austin. My kid goes to San Marcos, Texas State, so we want to get a little closer to my daughter.
Hey guys, I tried to snatch their souls, but the Tittles are good people. Even if I was to beat them, they can have their souls back. Everybody else, I keep their souls. Now guys, I raced one GTR. It's a fine young man. The brother has a nice car, but his car was not as fast as the Tittles car. And that's what I expected out of. Explain to me what makes your GTR so much faster than other guys that have did small bolt-ons.
My tuner will basically run the car a little more aggressive than You're basically off-the-shelf tuned. These cars are, man, they're pretty bulletproof, knock on wood. I've been down the track in mine about 650 to 675 times. Still nothing broke on it.
Who's your tuner?
Ben Linney,
Ben Linney, where's he out of?
England.
England, wait a minute, man, and you got a tuner? He has a tuner all the way out of England. See, this is the neat thing about cars today. You can have a tuner in not another city, another state, but another country.
Yep.
And so he's sending you the tune, and you just download it and go with it.
Basically do E-tune.
Wow. Guys, Demonology always has a bad time when he races ladies, because the ladies have a better reaction time and they cut good lights.
Not today.
Well, today we both red lit, but she was flying.
I think we kind of we're both into cars. We've been into cars growing up, but it's something we can do together as a couple. It's our date night. We don't go to the movies. We go to the track. I don't want flowers. I want car parts.
There you go.
I bought mine in 2013.
Okay.
So basically the parts that were available, this is a 2015. The parts that were available for mine aren't quite as good as what's on this one.
Okay.
She has bigger exhaust, so forth, but we're usually neck and neck, side by side at this point in the game. It's whoever trees who is usually who wins. Basic bolt-on stuff, exhaust, intake, injectors, fuel pumps, and a tune. That's it.
How did you guys pick the GTR? Because this is actually one of my favorite cars.
We used to race Mustangs and
hey, don't say that. Don't.
I know.
That's why we're no longer racing.
No, I'm just joking. I love the Mustang.
And we were literally spending more money keeping the car on the track than what it costs to go buy a GTR. It's a good buy.
I've had mine 3 years, no problem.
I've had mine for 5.
And it's getting faster.
I'm finding that to be the same with the Dodge Demon. Hot lap it, keep it going around the track, same as you guys can hot lap the GTR.
Exactly.
And it just takes a beating and keeps on ticking.
That's the good thing about Demons, these kind of cars versus track cars.
Yeah.
You get 1 or 2 passes and you're done.
And it's done.
And it's done.
Yeah.
These you go out and have fun.
It's been great seeing you guys. Hey, you know what I'm doing? I'm Demonology. I'm snatching souls, but not these two. Peace.
Kong is swimming safely out to sea.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.